My name is Darren Gertis, and if you can give me 2 minutes, I can help you become a better instructor. It's about that time where I start looking at Blackboard for next semester to get my courses up and running. So let's look at Blackboard. I'm going to log in, and when I do, so my screen comes in on my institution. Let's look at these buttons. You have my institution here and here. You have a notifications dashboard. So it'll tell you, it'll give you alerts of things that are past due and things that need to be graded and that kind of thing. And then it'll show you courses. Now personally, I don't like using courses, and you can click on it here or here, courses, because it just gives you this long list of courses, and it's hard to find. I have to do a keyword search for the course that I want. And then it takes a little while to find the right one of those courses, because there are usually multiple versions of that. So it's not something that I like to do, but I do like using my institution. I'll see my courses over on the side. Now you can set this up a couple different ways. My institution will give me one view. Courses will give me another view, and there's a lot of courses and it's kind of jumbly, so I don't like to use that. Under my institution, you'll see my courses, and you'll see here are my courses for next semester that I'm going to be putting together, but I don't want to see them yet for the balance of this semester, so I'll click on this little arrow, and then I'm just down to my courses. Now if you don't have your courses set up semester by semester, it's really easy. Go to this little icon in the corner, and then you click this group by term, and if you group by term, you'll see here's spring, here's fall, summer, spring, Maymester, fall, Maymester, spring, fall, summer, and it'll show you those, and you can click or unclick whichever ones you want or don't want to be able to see all the time. And generally it's good to have the last few terms, but I don't go all that far back. This is just an easy way to manage the chaos. Again, the way that you do this is you use my institution as opposed to all courses, because all courses just comes in a kind of an unwieldy mess over time. Okay? So I hope the management of Blackboard makes life a little bit easier for you in how to navigate. So that's all for now. If you're a CSU faculty member and you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to serve you.